Here's how to fix Steam not opening or launching on Windows 11. Since there are several possible causes, you'll need to try each solution until you find the one that works for you. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete, or search for Task Manager from the Start menu. In the search box, type Steam and check whether any Steam processes are running. If you find one, right-click it and select End Task. Next, go back to your desktop and find the Steam shortcut on your computer. Right-click it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab and here, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. After that, click Apply and then OK to save the changes. After that, open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and open it. Select Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Here, click Change Settings and find Steam in the list. Once found, make sure both private and public are checked. If Steam isn't listed, for example, if I deleted Steam from here, then what you have to do is select Allow another app and then click Browse. Here, locate your Steam application. Now, if you don't know how to locate it, I will tell you. To locate the Steam application, search for Steam from the Start menu, right-click it, and select Open File Location. Here, copy the location from the address bar, then return to the firewall window and use that location to find the Steam application. After you find it, add it to the list. Then make sure both private and public are selected and click OK. Now open the Start menu, search for Run, and open it. Inside, run type % local app data % and press Enter. Here, find the Steam folder from the list, right-click it, and delete it. If Windows asks for a confirmation, select Continue. Next, go back to your desktop and open Run again. This time, type steam://flushconfig, then press Enter. Once you've completed these steps, try launching Steam again. If Steam still won't open, the final option is to reinstall the application. Open the Start menu, search for Add or Remove Programs, and launch it. Go to the search bar and find Steam in the list. Click the 3 dots next to it and select Uninstall. After Steam has been removed, open your web browser and visit the official Steam website. Click Install Steam and follow the instructions to download and reinstall the application. Once the installation is complete, launch Steam and check whether the issue has been resolved. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.